When I need a quick getaway to get back to nature, this is where I come. Stay tuned. Whether you live here in Jupiter or you're vacationing, or maybe you're moving here, I'm gonna take you around to some of the best spots to visit. I'm Amy Burroughs, your local real estate expert. Let's go. I'm here at Limestone Creek Natural Area, and this is where I come to get my zen on. Just for 10 minutes out of the day. I even come in my work shoes because it has a paved pathway. But if you are a conservationist or you love the fauna, this is where you need to come and check it out. Let's go see. With hundreds of indigenous plants and birds, this is the perfect little getaway for even 10 minutes during your day. And speaking of that, I gotta go show a property. I'll catch you guys later. I'm here at the I'm here at the Limestone Creek Natural. Okay.
Take a weird breath. Action.
I'm here at Limestone Creek Natural Area. Okay.